In this video, I'll be reviewing the top 5 rice cookers and sharing which one I believe stands out as the best. I'll count down from my 5th choice, all the way to my top pick, so stick around until the end to discover which rice cooker takes the number 1 spot. If you're curious about pricing for any of these products, I've included links in the description where you can find more details about each one. At number 5, we have the Zojirushi NHS-06, a fantastic option for those seeking a dependable rice cooker on a budget. While it may not boast the high-tech features seen in some of the other models on this list, it shines when it comes to delivering consistently fluffy and delicious rice with minimal effort. Its simple, single-switch operation makes it exceptionally easy to use, even for beginners or those who prefer a no-frills approach to cooking. This compact 3-cup capacity rice cooker is designed for convenience, featuring a transparent glass lid that lets you monitor your rice as it cooks, along with cool touch handles to ensure safe handling. The non-stick inner pot prevents rice from sticking, making both cooking and cleanup a breeze. Its efficient design allows 1 cup of uncooked rice to yield 2 to 3 cups of perfectly cooked rice, making it an ideal choice for smaller households or individuals. The package includes helpful accessories like a measuring cup and spatula, and it's backed by a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. With its compact and lightweight build, it's easy to store, saving precious counter space without compromising on performance. Although it doesn't offer advanced features like digital controls or customizable cooking programs, its focus on simplicity, durability, and reliability makes it a standout choice. For those who prioritize hassle-free operation and consistent results over extra bells and whistles, the Zojirushi NHS-06 is a smart and practical pick. At number 4, we have the Toshiba TRCS01, a standout rice cooker that blends cutting-edge 3D cooking technology with a smart 6-step process to consistently deliver fluffy, restaurant-quality rice. This model is designed to cater to a variety of needs with its 7 preset cooking programs, making it easy to prepare everything from white, brown, and mixed rice to short or long-grain varieties. Beyond rice, it offers dedicated settings for oatmeal and porridge, adding versatility to your kitchen. One of its standout features is the Quick Cook mode, which utilizes advanced sensors to significantly reduce cooking time to just 30 minutes, perfect for busy days. The TRCS01 is equipped with a 24-hour automatic keep warm function, ensuring your rice stays fresh and ready to serve, along with 2 programmable delay timers that allow you to plan meals around your schedule for added convenience. Cleaning and maintenance are hassle-free thanks to the non-stick inner pot and easily removable components like the inner lid and steam vent. The large steam vent not only prevents messy overflows but also ensures safe and efficient operation. With a generous 12-cup cooked rice capacity, 6 cups uncooked, this rice cooker is ideal for family meals or small gatherings. The user-friendly design includes a clear LCD screen and straightforward button controls, making operation intuitive even for first-time users. While packed with functionality, the Toshiba TRCS01 maintains a sleek, compact design, fitting comfortably into most kitchen spaces. By combining advanced technology with practical features, this rice cooker is a reliable and versatile choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. At number 3, we have the Cuckoo CR-0675F, a versatile and efficient rice cooker that stands out with its advanced fuzzy logic technology. This intelligent system automatically adjusts cooking settings based on the type and amount of rice being prepared, ensuring consistently excellent results. With a 6-cup uncooked rice capacity, yielding up to 12 cups of cooked rice, it's a practical choice for individuals, couples, or small families looking for reliable performance. This rice cooker offers 13 customizable cooking programs to suit a variety of preferences and needs, including options for white rice, GABA rice, porridge, and multi-cook settings that accommodate other grains like quinoa and oatmeal. The non-stick, non-toxic inner pot is both durable and easy to clean, designed to withstand regular use while delivering evenly cooked meals. To make cleaning even simpler, the Cuckoo CR-0675F features an auto-clean steam function, which eliminates the need for manual scrubbing and ensures the interior stays hygienic with minimal effort. The Keep Warm feature maintains the ideal serving temperature for your rice without overcooking, while additional thoughtful details, such as a detachable inner lid, a water drainage tray to prevent excess moisture, and precise measuring tools, make this model both functional and user-friendly. The sleek LCD display and intuitive controls provide a seamless cooking experience, even for beginners. Measuring 10.2 by 11.34 by 14.9 inches and weighing just 10 pounds, it's compact enough to fit comfortably in most kitchens without sacrificing functionality. The programmable timer adds convenience by allowing you to schedule meals in advance, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Cuckoo CR-0675F combines modern technology with practical features, offering dependable results for a wide range of culinary needs. At number 2, we have the Zojirushi NWJ-EC18BA, a premium rice cooker that earns its place as our runner-up with its exceptional ability to deliver consistently flawless results through a combination of pressure cooking and induction heating. This Japanese-made rice cooker is a top-tier choice for those who value precision, versatility, and innovation in their kitchen appliances. Its advanced AI fuzzy logic technology sets it apart, automatically adjusting cooking cycles for optimal results and allowing customization through its My Rice setting, offering an impressive 49 texture options to suit individual preferences. With a generous 10-cup uncooked rice capacity, this model is perfect for larger households or entertaining guests. It comes equipped with a wide array of cooking modes, including white rice with 5 texture variations, umami, mixed, sushi, jasmine, porridge, congee, brown rice, GABA brown, and even steel-cut oatmeal. The iron-coated, platinum-infused inner pot ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked rice every time, while its durable non-stick coating makes cleanup hassle-free. Despite its robust capabilities, the Zojirushi NWJ-EC18BA is user-friendly. The intuitive LCD control panel and straightforward button layout make it easy to navigate its advanced features. Cooking times are approximately 55 minutes for white rice and 90 minutes for brown rice, consistently producing rice with ideal texture and flavor. Safety is a key focus, with features like multiple fail-safe mechanisms for pressure cooking and integrated steam vent and sensors to ensure proper operation. Although it measures 14 by 10 by 8 inches and requires some counter space, its thoughtful design and self-cleaning mode help manage odors and reduce buildup, making maintenance more convenient. While manual cleaning is still necessary for some components, the detachable inner lid simplifies the process. The Keep Warm function ensures your rice stays fresh and ready to serve without overcooking. Built with high-quality materials and backed by Zojirushi's reputation for excellence, this model combines professional-grade performance with practical features. For those seeking top-tier functionality and customization, the Zojirushi NWJ-EC18BA is a worthy investment and an outstanding runner-up on our list. Claiming the top spot on our list, the Cuckoo CRP-ST1009FG stands out as the ultimate rice cooker, expertly designed by a trusted Korean brand renowned for its exceptional quality and innovation. This high-performance model boasts a 10-cup uncooked rice capacity, making it perfect for families, gatherings, or meal prepping enthusiasts. At its core is an advanced twin-pressure cooking system, which switches between high and low pressure to ensure consistently perfect results, regardless of the type of rice or dish being prepared. The X-Wall diamond-coated, non-stick inner pot offers superior heat distribution and durability, ensuring even cooking an easy cleanup. Paired with a smart algorithm that detects grain type and temperature, this rice cooker automatically adjusts its settings to deliver flawless results every time. With 16 versatile cooking modes, it caters to a wide range of culinary needs from white and GABA rice to porridge, steaming, and even specialty grains, offering incredible flexibility in the kitchen. Safety is a standout feature of the Cuckoo CRP-ST1009FG. It includes a quiet automatic pressure release system, an overheating alarm, and multiple fail-safe mechanisms to ensure safe operation at all times. For added convenience, it features a preset timer that lets you schedule meals in advance, while the auto-clean function uses steam to sanitize the interior, making maintenance nearly effortless. The detachable inner lid adds to its ease of cleaning, ensuring every part of the cooker stays hygienic. Another highlight is the voice navigation system, which provides step-by-step guidance in English, Chinese, and Korean, making operation straightforward even for first-time users. Measuring 11.1 by 15.3 by 11.4 inches, it strikes a perfect balance between compact design and ample capacity, fitting comfortably on most countertops while handling large meal preparations. The Keep Warm function maintains rice at the ideal serving temperature without compromising texture or flavor, ensuring every bite is as good as when it was freshly cooked. Crafted with professional-grade components and backed by a 1-year warranty, the Cuckoo CRP-ST1009FG is built to last while delivering exceptional results. Combining state-of-the-art technology, unmatched versatility, and premium construction, it's the top choice for anyone seeking restaurant-quality rice preparation at home. Whether you're a seasoned cook or new to rice cookers, this model sets the standard for excellence in every aspect. And that wraps up my list of the top 5 rice cookers. I hope you found this helpful and enjoyed the rundown. Don't forget you can check out the prices for each product in the description and comments below, so be sure to take a look. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and have an amazing day.